How to add music to a Facebook post with multiple photos on Android. This tutorial shows you how to create a photo post with a music track in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on What's on Your Mind at the top of your feed to create a new post. Let me show you. From there, tap on Photo or Video to open your gallery. At this point, select all the photos you want to include in your post by tapping on each one. In the next step, once all your photos are selected, tap on Done or Next to proceed. From there, you'll be taken to the post editor where you can see all your selected photos ready to post. At this stage, look for the music option at the bottom of the post editor and tap on it. Let me show you. Following this, the Facebook Music library will open. Search for the song you want to add using the search bar at the top. Once done, tap on the song to preview it and select the part of the song you want to play with your photos. From there, drag the slider to choose the exact section of the song you want to feature in your post. At this stage, tap on Done to add the music to your post. Following this, add your caption and any other details you want to include in the post. Finally, once everything looks good, tap on Post to share your multi-photo post with music to your Facebook feed. Your friends and followers will be able to see your photos with the music playing automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you add music to a Facebook post with multiple photos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.